Hi, this is John Wart, and we are here for our short Ilonggo session. Our word for today is Kapid. What is that? It's called twin in Ilonggo. And there are two ways of pronouncing the word Kapid and Kapid. I'll show you how with the example of a banana. There's a banana tree up behind me over there, and Pasit just fell down a banana tree with ripe fruits, and one of them is a kapid banana. It happens occasionally, not very rare, but sometimes in a bunch they do appear or occur. So let's show you what a kapid banana looks like. This is called a twin banana. A twin banana occurs when two bananas fail to split, just like human twins. So right, they're one. So let's try to eat. This is our twin banana harvest. Very sweet. Mm. In Ilonggo, twin is called kapid. Kapid, if you pronounce it kapid, it's an adjective. But if you say kapid, it's a noun. Like, he's my twin. So, siya akong kapid. But if you describe your twin as a twin, as twinning, kapid. So yeah, there are two ways to pronounce kapid and kapid. We have a superstition that when you eat twin bananas, you will also have twin children, twins. Some people avoid that because of the expense of having twins, so they shun eating twin bananas. Or if they do, if they're confronted with twin bananas, they have to split it, but behind you. I mean, you can split them into two, but right behind your back, split it right there. You don't have to witness it. You don't have to see the bananas split. That's a banana split. Wow, we have another bunch of bananas from Pasit right there. No twins. Wala kapid. Wala kapid. No? Oo, no? Dasok-dasok. Busok-busok. Wow. That's a saba. Fine. Ano ni siya ng klase? Isang saging lang. Inigla yung isa. Ang luto. Tordan. Tordan. That one is ano siya? Saba. Alright. Tordan, saba. Tordan, saba. And we have another twin. So this one is hilaw or unripe, but it will ripen soon. Because look at that. Look at that. They're bursting. So even if they're green, they're bursting with so much bananas. And look at the others. So full. It's just bursting. So back to our discussion. This one is kapid. So again, kapid means twin. And if you want to describe it as twinning, it's kapid. So we have another twin banana right there. To split your twin banana, okay, a banana split, literally. Split means to uh, pihak or bulag. Bulag means to separate. So if you want to separate them, that's bulag. Bulag, if you pronounce it as bulag, it means blind, so that's different. But if you want to separate them, it's bulag. And if you pihak, pihak is means to split, but that's not to separate them here. Split is like these ones, they are splitting. So that's your literal banana split. There. So ripe. Alright. Fruit flies. Alright. Luto, luto. Tambok-tambok. Tamis-tamis. That's enough. Tsakto na na. That's enough. Oh, hindi no, no. I don't like it. That's enough. Thank you. Galitik ang panit. So, panit is skin and litik is what do you call that? Bursting. Galitik ang panit. Oh, yellow. This is Joan of Art, and I'm enjoying my Kapid bananas. See you in our next video. Bye for now.